Hey there, folks. We're diving into loans in the USA, those financial tools that can help us achieve our goals and dreams. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's break it down. Let's talk about the installment loan, the superhero of big purchases. Imagine this. You've got your eyes on a shiny new car or a cozy house, but your wallet is giving you the side eye. Enter the installment loan, your financial sidekick. Here's the deal. With an installment loan, you get the money you need, and then you pay it back in bite-sized, predictable chunks over time. Think of it like divvying up a big pizza into slices, way more manageable. Now, why should you care? Well, let me tell you, it's like having a personal budget genie. You know exactly how much you owe and when you need to pony up. No surprises, no financial acrobatics, just smooth sailing through the budgeting seas. So, whether it's a sleek new car or a dreamy home, the installment loan has your back, making life a tad less stressful. It's like having a financial GPS, guiding you step by step to your money goals. Cheers to stress-free budgeting. Also, credit lines, or as some cool cats call it, revolving credit. Picture this. Life throws you a curveball, unexpected expenses pop up, and your bank account gives you the, "Houston, we have a problem, look." Enter the credit line, your financial superhero in times of need. So, what's the deal? It's like having a safety net made of dollar bills. A credit line gives you the freedom to borrow what you need, pay it back at your own pace, and then do it all over again. It's the financial equivalent of a trampoline, bounce back from those surprise expenses with style. Now, credit cards often take center stage in this revolving credit drama. Swipe your card, deal with life's little hiccups, and then dance your way through the repayment tango when it suits you. It's all about flexibility, no rigid repayment schedules, just the freedom to tackle those short-term financial roller coasters without breaking a sweat. So, here's to credit lines, your trusty sidekick in the ever-unpredictable financial adventure. Unsecured loans, the financial rebels of the lending scene. Here's the story. No collateral required, but the interest rates, well, they can be a bit of a tease. Let's say you're in need of some cash, but your prized possessions are off the hook. No need to mortgage your dog's collection of chew toys. That's where unsecured loans step in. No collateral, no strings attached. But, and there's always a but, the interest rates can be a bit coy. They might play hard to get, making you work a little harder to win their favor. These loans are like the cool kids at the party, they want to know you're creditworthy. So, if your assets are taking a day off, but your credit game is strong, unsecured loans could be your golden ticket to the funds you crave. It's like a financial trust fall, the lenders relying on your credit history to catch them. No pressure, right? Let's talk about personal loans. And no, we're not talking about funding your secret spy mission. These are the versatile Swiss Army knives of the loan world, designed for your personal adventures. They're like your trusty financial sidekick, ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. So, what's the deal? Personal loans are your go-to for all things personal, whether it's wrangling in those pesky debts, funding that dream vacation, or covering unexpected medical expenses. It's the loan version of a superhero costume, adapting to fit your unique needs. Imagine it as a financial chameleon, changing colors to match your goals. Need to consolidate debts? Check. Planning that once-in-a-lifetime trip? Check. Unexpected medical curveball? Check. It's your all-in-one solution to life's financial roller coasters. And the best part? No need to pledge your car, house, or prized collection of vintage action figures as collateral. It's like borrowing a cup of sugar from your neighbor, straightforward and without the hassle. So, whether you're on a mission to conquer debt, fulfill a dream, or handle life's surprises, the personal loan is your versatile sidekick, ready to assist on your financial journey. Payday loans, the speed demons of the lending world. Need cash pronto? These are the pit stops where you can refuel in a hurry. But, and it's a big but, watch out for the catch. Let's say you're in a financial pinch, and payday feels like it's light years away. Enter payday loans, the sprinters of the lending track. They offer quick cash injections, often due on your next payday, hence the name. Now, they're handy for emergency pit stops, but here's the caution flag waving: these loans come with high interest rates. It's like borrowing a cup of sugar from your neighbor but having to pay them back with a sprinkle of magic unicorn dust. It's gonna cost you. That quick fix could turn into a long-term headache if you're not careful. The high interest rates can sneak up on you, turning a temporary solution into a financial marathon. So, while payday loans might be the pit crew you need for a quick financial tune-up, keep your eyes on the road and steer clear of those high-interest detours. Now, let's shift gears to mortgage. So, you've got visions of your own cozy corner of the world. A mortgage is the key that unlocks that door. Here's the lowdown. A mortgage isn't just any loan, it's the VIP pass to owning real estate. Whether it's a charming house with a white picket fence or a sleek city apartment with skyline views, your mortgage is the golden ticket to make it happen. Sure, it's a commitment that spans the horizon of time. We're talking long-term here, but the payoff is colossal. It's not just a loan, it's your entry into the exclusive club of homeowners. You're not just paying off a debt, you're investing in a piece of the world to call your own. Think of it as a partnership between you and your dream home, with the mortgage playing matchmaker. So, if you're ready to turn those homeownership dreams into reality, grab that mortgage key, unlock the door, and step into a world that's truly yours. Welcome home. Student loans. They're like the backstage pass to your college dreams, making that academic journey a reality. But, hold on to your textbooks, because there's a crucial caveat. Picture this. You're gearing up for the educational adventure of a lifetime, and here come student loans, your trusty financial companions. They open doors, clear paths, and pave the way for your scholarly pursuits. But, and it's a sizable, but, heed this advice. Pay attention to the repayment terms and interest rates. Education is an investment, and just like any investment, the devil is in the details. The choices you make now can ripple through your financial future. Think of it as planting seeds for your academic garden. The right choices can make those seeds grow into a flourishing knowledge oasis. So, before you sign on the dotted line, take a moment to understand the terms, dance with the interest rates, and make informed choices. Your education is an investment in yourself, and with the right approach to student loans, you're not just acquiring knowledge, you're cultivating a foundation for a bright future. So, there you have it, a brief tour of the loan landscape. Remember, loans are tools, and like any tool, they're most effective when used wisely. Until next time, stay financially savvy.